Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite foraging tools, the rice knife. I'm out in my forage spot, got all kinds of goodies to bring home to the chickens and the compost. And this is the special Pimp Edition gold handle, straight out the box from Permaculture's farms. Thank you guys very much, and let's get into it. Alright, so I first found out about the rice knife way back in 2008. While I was doing my internship with Jeff Lawton on Zaytuna Farm, and quickly realized what an amazing and efficient tool it is, particularly for gathering plants and grasses to feed your animals or your compost. The one interesting thing about the rice knife is you are cutting towards yourself, so be very careful and focus that you don't cut yourself, because I've nearly done it with dramatic effect many times. So it's easy to get overconfident and distracted while you're out there. So let's get cutting. All right, so start easy, grab some cattails. So basically you're grabbing like so, and just real easy, you're slicing back, and just want to be real careful about the area and your fingers. Grab like so. And you can quickly see how fast you can collect your goodies. There we go. Grab. All right, hope you enjoyed that little demo with this amazing foraging tool. If you're interested in picking one up, definitely head to permapasturesfarm.com. I'll leave a link for that below. Permaculture t-shirts, consultation and design, links for all that below as well. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.